we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laugh so loud as the hours.
Hello everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Welcome back sa ating provincial life dito sa Amerika. Happy Monday! So for today's video, isi-share lang namin sa inyo kung paano ba yung ordinaryo or typical na araw dito sa amin sa probinsya sa Amerika pagka day off ni Mister. Baka sabihin nyo, ganyan ba yung typical na araw mo? Medyo nakapag-ayos-ayos tayo ngayon kasi every time na day off ni Mister, most of the time, talaga lumalabas kami. Kasi nga, ito lang din yung time namin ni Zayta makalabas dahil since hindi pa ako nagda-drive and since si Mister ay truck driver, lagi siyang out and about. Wala siya dito sa bahay ng 3 to 4 days. Ito lang din talaga yung aming bonding moment and time na makalabas ng bahay. Although nakakalabas din naman kami dyan sa yard, pero lately dahil nga medyo lumalaki na ang aking pregnant belly, nahihirapan na rin akong ilabas-labas si Zayta since ang bahay nga namin is a 2-story house pero yung baba niya is non-livable siya. Andun lang yung laundry area at saka yung stock room. Tapos dito lang sa taas yung livable. So anyway, ayun, aalis kami. Pero si Mister, maaga siyang umalis, mga 9 in the morning. Nandoon siya sa aking mga in-laws kasi yung aking father-in-law, tutulungan siyang ayusin yung kanyang motorcycle kasi natanggal yung muffler. So ikakabit nila. Medyo matagal na siya. Ano bang oras na? 1 p.m. Sabi niya medyo matatagalan daw. Tapos pag balik niya dito, aalis kami. Alam ko pupunta kami ng Walmart kasi meron kaming ibabalik and then meron din kaming bibilhin na hindi namin nabili kahapon. Tapos I don't know kung saan pa kami pupunta. So ayun. And hindi na kami sumama ni Zayta sa kanya doon sa aking mga in-laws kasi sabi ko para at least makapaglinis din ako ng bahay, makapag-ayos-ayos dito. And ayun, nagka-time pa ako na medyo ayusin yung sarili ko. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, di ba, parang wala na talagang time mag-ayos dahil busy nga. So, ayan ang aming agenda for today. Samahan niyo po kami.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray.
So ayan guys,
I
nakatapos na ako
believe in the
maglinis
better
dito sa
days.
bahay. Sobrang tagal nito ni Mister. Sabi ko sa kanya, tinext ko na siya na sunduin na kami ni Zeta kasi we're ready to go and naboboring na kami dito. Wala na kami magawa. And hindi ko pa pala nagagawa yung aking work. Well, some of my task, nagawa ko na siya, pero meron ako kasing isang kailangan pang gawin. So, gagawin ko na siya, tatapusin ko na, para pagdating ni Mister is, wala na akong iisipin pa. Grabe mga sis, sobrang tagal ni Mister. Nag-reply siya, sabi niya, tatapusin na daw niya muna doon yung ginagawa nila sa aking mga in-laws bago niya kami balikan dito. Nagawa ko na lahat ng mga dapat kong gawin. Wala na akong ibang gagawin. Eh si Zeta nakatulog na. Anong oras na ba? Parang mga 2 PM na. Sabi naman niya, babawin na lang daw siya. Sabi ko, hindi pwede. Dapat meron tayong puntahan ngayon kasi nag-effort ako mag-ayos. Sabi naman niya, okay daw. Kaso ayun, malilate na kami ng alis. So ito na guys, sa wakas dumating din siya. It's 4:39 PM. Tsaka lang siya dumating. Sabi niya, binabother ko daw kasi siya. From, what time did you leave the house, love? 9:30? Ay, no. 9 o'clock. 9 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon. Ganun katagal yung kanilang paggawa ng motorcycle niya. You said you're gonna sell it.
I don't think anyone would buy it, and I feel bad selling it to somebody because it's got that battery problem. So, just gonna, I don't know.
Parang ayaw niya din kasi ibenta. Pero wala naman kasing gagamit nun. Well, kung hindi ako pregnant, pwede namin gamitin. Hindi naman kasi siya motorcycle mula nang dumating kami dito ni Zeta na hindi ako kasama. Dati, nung summer, na ginagamit namin siya kaming dalawa, tapos iniiwan lang namin si Zeta dun sa aking mga biyanan para bantayan. Eh kaso ngayon, dahil ako ay pregnant, wala siyang kasama. Did you drive it around the forest?
No, because I didn't have any time because my wife was rushing me around. I didn't have the battery anyways.
So ayun. Pupunta ulit kami dito sa aking mga in-laws. May babalikan si Mister. Meron kasi siyang naiwan. Baby, what's the sound of a horse? Nee. Did you see the horse of Grandma Mimi? So, andito kami ngayon sa aking mga in-laws. May kinukuha dito si Mister sa truck. Dito niya pinapark. Ito, minsan yung truck nandito, minsan yung GTO andito. Pagka hindi namin ginagamit. So, andito tayo guys sa Beaver Dam Marsh. Nagpunta muna kami dito bago kami pumunta ng Walmart. Yan si Baby Zeta. Maganda yung weather ngayon, 15 degrees Celsius. Ay! Are you poking, Mama?
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing.
Dito na kami sa Walmart, guys. May ni-return lang si Mister. Tapos ito yung mga kukuhain namin na hindi namin nabili kahapon. Doon na kami dito sa Walmart. Konti lang naman yung binili namin. Tapos pupunta na kami sa restaurant. Hindi ko alam kung parang ano ba yun, Thai restaurant. Doon na kami magdi-dinner. Tapos uwi na rin kami. Yan lang ang aming agenda for today.
Unfortunately.
Si Mister, ayaw na niyang pumunta ng restaurant. Sabi niya, would that make you happy? Sabi ko, yes.
What would make me happy of you?
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like
Ito na yung food namin.
once.
Pineapple fried rice, chicken satay, milk tea, and pho. Tapos na kami dito sa restaurant. Ang sarap. What can you say about the food in NK restaurant?
It's very nice food, very good service. It's a great restaurant, really. Most places I am not very happy with the food or the service or the restaurant, like the environment. But this place had good food, good service, good environment.
About the price?
Prices were whatever. I would pay a lot more for the nice restaurant, but it's not
It's
reasonable.
worth it, right?
Yes.
Sarap niya talaga. Kahit busog na ako talaga, kumakain pa rin ako. Pero meron pa rin kaming take out kasi sobrang dami nung serving nung rice. Sarap. Nakita ko lang to sa sa Google. Ay, tapos may palibre pa silang candy. Yeah.
It's a secret, baby. That's a secret for grown-ups.
Ngayon, pauwi na kami. We're so full.
I have asthma.
You?
Yeah, why do I have asthma now? I ate something that gave me asthma. Oh, I think it was the cigarette. The cigarette gave me asthma.
Yeah, that's why I keep on asking you stop smoking.
Yeah, maybe in another life.
Ito yung candy nila. Tapos kanina, yung parang cashier doon, siya na rin yung server. Kasi hindi nga ganun ka-busy yung place. So, super nagagandahan ako sa kanya. Feeling ko siya, half Thai, half American. And then si Mr. tinanong ko siya. Sabi ko, love, do you think she's half like Zira, half Thai, half American? And then my husband doesn't want to answer. Why? Do you think it's rude?
Oh yeah, she's talking about her while we're in the restaurant.
He's not there. He's in the kitchen.
She was there. It's rude to talk about people when they're fucking standing right next to you.
Why is in the kitchen? He's not there.
It's the same thing. You're in the building.
Very marites ako. Hindi talaga sila mahilig sa mga ganun yung pinag-uusapan mo yung ibang tao. Pero maganda naman yung aking intention. Nagagandahan kasi talaga ako sa kanya. Isn't she pretty? She's very pretty, right? Ay! Love, be honest.
She looked like a monkey.
Ay, naku. Love, you're lying. Sobrang ganda niya. Super pretty. Tapos very nice. So, ayan, pauwi na kami, guys. Tapusin ko na ang vlog dito. Thank you so much po sa palaging panonood ng aming mga videos at pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel sa ating provincial life dito sa Amerika. Thank you so much for watching and we heart you. Love this heart. Wow! Hoy! Hoy, don't, you should use you so